Alright, what's up traders? Welcome back to KJ Trading. Today's video is going to be a quick lesson on how to make a trading setup on Thinkorswim just like this, as you see. I had a viewer comment on one of my videos asking if I could make a video on this. I said I would do it last weekend, but just graduated high school, so it was a little busy. I'm going to be making it right now, today, Tuesday, a couple days late, but I guess it matters that it's out there. So anybody else that had questions, here you go. So we got the main chart, 1 minute. Actually, this is a 3 minute. Put this on a 1 minute. I'm on AMC. Let me also put this to red. There we go. It's better. So this is all linked to red. So as I move the chart to let's just do ALF, everything changes. So level 2 changes. Active trader changes. This is active trader. This is level 2. And then time and sales changes. So everything will change with your chart. Let's go back to AMC, I guess. So you want to make this. You got your charting, you got your stuff to trade right here, so you can buy on the active trader, use your buy and sell market here. You can see your big bids and asks on your level 2, and then you can also see time and sales. So I'll show you how to make this right now. So let's pull this over here. So first thing first, you want to come over to charts. Now you're normally on, under the charts tab, you're normally on charts. But you want to come over to flexible grid. Now, this will probably look different for you, but you want to come over here where it says show grid actions, and then you want to click customize grid. Now, I'm just going to get rid of everything, so I don't know what yours looks like, but it might just have one, it might have multiple, but clear them all out so you have just one like me. It'll be a lot simpler. Once you have this, I'll give you a second if you want to pause the video. All you do is click this one with the line in it. Once you have one, you want to click this one. We'll add one on the top. Then you want to add one on the side here and add one on the side here. So you have 4. Okay? Now you have 4. And now what you want to do is just put them on whichever color you want. So they're all linked to the same one. This one you don't need to do anything with. You're going to delete this one after. But you need to have it here for now. And now once you have any stock you want or anything you want in your charting, this top left one will be your main chart. So just keep it how it is. Put it on like a 1 minute, just so it looks better, I guess. And then, so this top one here, this one will become, actually, before I get ahead of myself, you need to add one more on the side, just like this, pretty much. Wait a second. Might be doing this wrong. Do that. Don't do that. Hold on. I just did it a second ago. It's not working now, which is a little weird. So I add one here. Not too sure why it's not making this one drop down like normal. That is a little weird. It just worked a second ago. When I get rid of this one, it should drop this one down, not do that. Not too sure why it's doing that. Give me 1 second. I'm going to come right back. Don't change anything. Alright, I don't know if there's a certain way you have to do it, but all I was doing is getting rid of this one, like that, and it came down like you want it. So you want it like this. It might not work, just give it a couple tries. And if you can get to this, then you're in good shape. And then you want to add one like that. And then you want to add one like that. So if you can ever get, let me delete this one, let me delete this one, actually just add one here. It was like this before I left. All you need to do, let's see if it works now. So it works now, that's what I was trying to do before. It wasn't working, I'm not too sure why. So if you can get to here and then you just add one to the side, then you're all set. You can make them all back to red again. Thinkorswim doesn't always work properly, but alright. So Excuse me. Top one, this is going to be your active trader. So on the side here, make sure sidebar is checked. You want to click AT, and then you want to click the C to get rid of the chart so it's only active trader. Then you want to come over to this left one. This is going to be your level 2. So you're going to click L2 and get rid of chart. So you got only level 2. And then you want this one to be time and sales. So you click time and sales. Now you can get rid of sidebars because you're not going to be changing anything. And then after that, you're all done. You click that so it's gone. So you can't customize it. And then, oh wait, I gotta do something. Get rid of the sidebar. There we go. And then drag it over to however you want it. Me, I like it like this. So make that smaller, pull this way down. I want to put an order in. Pull that down some more. If I can click right there, pull that down, drag this over, and it's looking pretty good right now. Put this back on a 1 minute, and you're pretty much done. That's pretty much all there is to it. I also like to make this a little skinnier though, because you don't want active trader that big. At least I don't like it that big. So make it like that. Make sure everything fits. As you can see, the bids are having like little dots in them. So you want to make one bigger than the other, which is why I make active trader, not active trader, time and sales a little smaller. So this is exactly what I do, and then I just drag volume down some. You don't need volume that big. But that's all there is to it. You got your main chart, you got your trading. Make sure they're all linked to the same chart. So when you go in here and change, it all changes. That's the main thing you need to do. And after that, you're all set up. And that's pretty much it. So you got main chart, you got your active trader, you got your level 2, and then your time and sales. Alright, so if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like. If you learned something, make sure to leave a like as well. Comment below if you have any other video suggestions or any questions. And consider subscribing. And thank you for watching.